Welcome, dear viewers, to our English listening practice with a captivating story titled The Enchanted Journal. Join us as we immerse ourselves in a world of magic, adventure, and imagination. In a village lived a curious and imaginative girl named Amelia. Her most treasured possession was an ancient journal passed down through generations, rumored to hold enchanting secrets from the past. Amelia sits under a starlit sky, opening the journal, and begins to write. As she writes, a shimmering portal appears before her. Little did Amelia know that her scribblings held the power to come alive. As the ink touched the pages, a magical portal appeared, transporting her into the very world she had written about. Amelia steps through the portal and finds herself in a fantastical realm. Colorful landscape and mystical creatures surround her. Amelia had unwittingly stepped into a world of mythical creatures, friendly spirits, and talking trees. Each character in this realm was from forgotten tales brought to life by her enchanting journal. Amelia meets Oswin and learns about the wicked sorcerers causing chaos in the enchanted world. Oswin, the enchanted journal's magical has awakened these beings, but it has also unleashed a dark force, a sorcerers who seek to spread darkness across the realm. Amelia gathers a group of friends from the enchanted world and embarks on a quest to defeat the sorcerers. Determined to restore harmony to this magical land, Amelia sets out on a grand quest, accompanied by Oswin and newfound friends from the storybook world. They face treacherous trials and overcome challenges together. Amelia and her friends encountered various obstacles and learned valuable life lessons. Throughout their journey, Amelia discovers the strength of friendship, courage, and the boundless power of imagination. She faces her fears, challenges her doubts, and learns to embrace the wonders of her own creativity. Amelia faces the wicked sorcerers in a climatic battle. As the final confrontation with the wicked sorcerers approaches, Amelia's heart swells with both fear and determination. The fate of the enchanted world rests on her shoulders. Amelia, with the support of her friends and the journal's magic, defeat the sorcerers. With the tears of joy and sadness, Amelia emerges victorious, banishing the darkness and restoring harmony to the realm. She bids farewell to her newfound friends, knowing their adventures will live on in her heart. Amelia closes the journal back in her village and smiles as she reflects on her extraordinary journey. And so, dear viewers, the tale of Amelia and the enchanted journal comes to the end, but the magic of her adventure will forever inspire those who believe in the power of dreams, imagination, and the wonders that lie within. Now, let's come towards the questions. The very first one is, who is the protagonist of the story and what is her most cherished possession? Second one is, what happened when Amelia opened her journal and started writing on it? Then, what did the enchanted journal possesses the power to do? Then, what were the inhabitants of the fantastical world that Amelia entered and what had caused them to come to life? Now, the last one is, what was the main conflict in the enchanted world and who was responsible for separating darkness and chaos? We hope you enjoyed this enchanting story, The Enchanted Journal, as an English listening practice. Remember, the magic of storytelling knows no bounds. Let your creativity and imagination soar. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring the world of stories and expanding your English listening skills. Happy storytelling!